So let's start today's class. In the last class, what we have seen? Escape velocity, hai na? Yes. In the last class, what we have finished? Escape speed, right?
Yes, sir.
And what is the formula? Phi E is equal to root 2 gm by r plus h when object is at height h from the surface of planet. And if it is on the surface, then root 2 gm by r in terms of gravity, root 2 gr on the surface, whereas root 2 gh into r plus h when it is at height h. Okay. Now let's see the next part and see here. I'm writing one note point or just question, we can say. What is that question? Earth has atmosphere. Earth has atmosphere, but on the surface of moon, there is no atmosphere. There is no atmosphere. Why? Okay. What is the question? Earth has atmosphere, but on the surface of moon there is no atmosphere. Why? Okay. So let's see what is the reason behind this. Now see here. What is the reason? At ordinary temperatures, the RMS means root mean square velocity. RMS velocity of hydrogen molecules is 2 km per second. 2 km per second. And for oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and for oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapors, is around 0.5 to 1 km per second, which is very less as compare with what? Escape velocity of Earth, है ना? As compare with escape velocity of Earth. In bracket, how much escape velocity? 11.2 km per second, है ना? ठीक है नहीं? Hence, we find these all in Earth's atmosphere. Okay. So what is the main point here? Whatever the gases are there in the Earth atmosphere, why they are existing there? Because their root mean square velocity is less than escape velocity of Earth, and that's why these gases are there present in the Earth atmosphere. Okay? Whereas you see now second point, the escape velocity of moon is 2.38 kilometer per second. Yes, the escape velocity of moon is 2.38 kilometer per second. And in the early period of moon's formation, in the early period of moon's formation, its temperature was so high, its temperature was so high, and due to thermal agitation, due to thermal agitations, oxygen and nitrogen molecules acquired speed greater than escape velocity. Acquired speed greater than escape velocity of moon, resulting escape from moon's surrounding. Clear hai? Okay, so very simple.
Yes, sir.
Understood, everyone? If someone will ask you why there is atmosphere on the earth and no atmosphere on the moon, so you can easily answer now the question, because all the gases or whatever it is, escape velocity is less as compared to Earth's escape velocity, and that's why they are present in the atmosphere. Whereas in case of moon, the escape velocity of moon is less, and when moon was formed, that time these gases was having little bit higher speed as compared with the escape velocity, and that's why they escape from the moon's surrounding. Understood? Any doubt? Please ask. Clear?
Clear.
Good. Note down fast.
Sir, what? Sir, is it thermal agitations? What is it, sir?
Yes, I will tell you. Huh? First, you note down this.
Sir, what is RMS?
Yes.
RMS, sir.
Root means square. Root means square. Velocity means,
Okay, sir.
for example, suppose we are having some velocities like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if we want to find VRMS means nothing but first we will do the square of this all. 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square divided by 4. Something like this. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I will tell you
Thank you,
thermal
sir.
agitation also. First you note down this. I will tell thermal agitation also. Note down.
Completed, sir.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Shall I explain here only somewhere, if you don't mind? Thermal agitation. Yes,
Okay, sir.
this word. Yes. Shall I write somewhere here? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So see here. When small particles are there, okay, small particles like this, any movement of electrons, we can say small particles at the beginning stage, okay. So if these particles are associated with heat, we can say associated with heat, understand, okay. And when they are, what we can say, they are moving like this, when they are moving, colliding, whatever, with one another. But these molecules, when they are associated with heat, that is called thermal agitation. Okay, understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means movement of, in general language, simply we can say movement of small particles which are associated with heat. Okay, understand?
Okay, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Movement of small particles which are associated with heat, that is what thermal agitation. Clear? Understood clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note
Sir,
down.
once again, can you explain?
Yes, sure.
Sir, once again you say, sir.
See, thermal agitation means nothing but these are the small particles or molecules now. These are the hot particles, we can say, which are moving randomly. Understand? Hot particles moving randomly. Very simple. Understand?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
जैसे कि समझो अभी आपको कंडक्टर मालूम है, you know this conductor ना, this conductor through which electrons are moving. So these electrons means nothing but suppose hot particles, we can say, which are moving randomly. That is what thermal agitation. Movement of particles
Okay, sir.
which are hot. Movement of hot particles. Very simple. Yes, finished.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now, see here. Behavior of a body. Listen carefully, this is important. Behavior of body projected vertically, up with different velocities. Different velocities from the surface of planet. Now what we are doing, see with the diagram, let us assume that this is a planet, okay. And now what we are doing, we are projecting a body from the surface of this planet. Okay, this is what we are projecting body. And let us suppose the projection velocity is what? V. Okay, and this object is this object is having, let us suppose, mass m. Mass of object is m, and this planet is having radius capital R and mass is capital M. Understood what we are doing? And the planet is having escape velocity V. Now tell me, what is VE? What is VE? Bolo jaldi. What is VE? What is VE? Escape velocity of planet. What is R? What is R?
Radius.
Radius.
Radius of
Planet. What is capital M? What is capital M?
Mass.
Mass of planet.
Mass.
Small m. What is small m?
రికార్డ్స్ కింద బ్లాంక్స్ ఉన్నాయి అవి ఫిల్ చేయాలి.
Mass of object.
రాసినాక మొత్తం అన్ని పేజెస్ లో సైన్ పెట్టాలి, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ మన లెక్చర్ వన్ అండ్ అని చెప్పు. వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ది ప్లానెట్,
Velocity of object, not planet. Velocity with which we are projecting the object. What is VE? Escape velocity of planet. Understood everything? Clear?
Yes. Yes.
yes sir.
Right. Now, see here. I am taking case 1. In this case 1, what I am doing? If velocity of projection is less than escape velocity.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, what is V?
I will write here. V is velocity of projection. Velocity of projection of body. VE is what? VE is escape velocity. Escape velocity of planet. Any doubt now? Velocity of projection means what? The velocity with which we are throwing that object. Understand? Velocity of projection means.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे आप velocity of projection लिखो. Velocity of projection of body. Okay. Now remaining all you know, R is radius of planet, capital M is mass of planet, small m is mass of object. Okay. Right. Now, see here. What is the first condition? Phi is less than V, means velocity of projection is less than escape velocity. What happens? What happens? As this is less than escape velocity, body fails to escape from planet. Body fails to escape from planet. है ना? Yes, no. Will it escape? No, because its velocity is less. Yes or no? Bolo, you should speak.
Yes, sir.
Now, next point is what?
Yes, sir.
It will go or it will reach certain height and then falls back. है ना? It will go to certain height and fall back. Okay, तो यहां पे क्या होगा? Total energy at surface is equal to total energy at height. Okay. So total energy means what, Ray? At surface, what you will get? Total energy at surface is equal to total energy at height. है ना? Total energy at surface means what? Kinetic energy at surface plus potential energy at surface is equal to kinetic energy at height h plus potential energy at height h. Agree with me, everyone? Please tell. Yes or no?
Understood.
Now kinetic energy at surface is equal to half m v square, because when we are throwing from this surface, its velocity is v. That's why half m v square. Now gravitational potential energy at surface is what, Ray? G m divided by r. Any doubt? Please ask. Any doubt?
No, sir.
When this body reaches somewhere here, its final velocity will become 0 and then it will start coming down. That is, it will start falling down. That's why kinetic energy at height h is half m into 0 square plus, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी माइनस g by r plus h. Is that clear? Yes.
Clear, sir.
Or half m v square minus g m by r is equal to minus g m divided by r plus h. Any doubt till here? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now shall I take m common throughout here and shall I cancel m throughout? Can I cancel? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Yes.
half v square minus gm by r is equal to, bolo, minus gm by r plus h. Clear?
That's it.
Now
Yes,
what
sir.
I am doing, you see, I am transferring this term this side. So half v square is equal to minus gm by r plus h plus gm by r. Yes, no? Yes. But I can take common ray from this. Can I take gm common? And can I write like this? 1 by r minus 1 by r plus h. Can I write like this? I have taken like this. Or else if you want, this
Yes.
step can change. Anything you can write? No. If you want like this, I can write like this also. See? This gm. This minus will go here, means plus, minus gm by r plus h. Quite out? Any doubt? Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
No, sir.
Now this 2 will go here. So v square is equal to 2gm. Then this is, you see, I am taking LCM. R plus h into 1. R plus h minus this r divided by r into r plus h. Understood this step, everyone?
Understood, sir.
Understood.
क्लियर है? अब मैं कैंसिल कर सकता हूँ ये r और ये r. Yes.
Yes, sir.
H by R.
Sir,
is
once
R.
again you say, sir.
See here, this is till here you understood. This step you understood. This step you understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now this part is there now. This minus part I am transferring here. It will become plus. So that's why minus will become plus here. Gm by r minus gm by r plus h as it is. Yes. So yeah now.
2 mgh by.
Wait
Yes,
now.
sir.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
What I did now, from these two terms, I have taken gm common. What is left here? 1 by r minus. Here what is left? 1 by r plus h. Okay, understood now?
Yes, sir.
Now what I did here, this 2 is there now. This side 2 I have transferred here. Okay. Yes. So what it became? 2gm.
Yes, sir.
And then this r plus h into 1, r plus h. Minus 1 into r, minus r, divided by r into r plus h. A by b minus c by d. AD minus BC by BD. सही है ना? Same I did here. R plus H into 1 is R plus H. Minus 1 into R, R. R into R plus H. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Now you understood? Okay. Shall I go to the next page?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Noted everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see what we got. V square is equal to
Sir, once.
GM. Write fast.
Okay, sir.
Yes, finished everyone.
Yes, sir, completed.
Now V square is equal to 2gm. What we got here? H divided by R into R plus H. So yeah. Okay. Now
2 mgh by r into r. 2 mgh by r into r plus h.
wait. Now what I am doing, see, this is equal to let's multiply and divide with RR. Okay, whatever you told no now, 2gmh. And this is R into R plus H. So yeah, na? Yes. Now what I am doing, multiplying and dividing by R. Yes, no, koi doubt? Any doubt, please?
No doubt, sir.
Now see here what I am doing. Now 2gm by R square into 2gm by R square into this H into this R, and this is R plus H. Everything came? See, everything came?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, Ray, this gm by R square is what? Yes? What is this gm by r square? Yes, what is gm by r square?
Yeah.
Small g h r divided by r plus h. Now, what I am doing, again I am dividing by r, and this also I am dividing by r. See here what I did. Again what I am doing, I am dividing by r. So what I will get, numerator I will get 2gh. Denominator what I will get, r by r plus h by r. Yes or no? Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now can I write like
Yes, sir.
this? 2gh divided by 1 plus h by r. This is what? Phi square. Clear?
Sir, one from before picture.
Huh? This one or this one?
Sir, back page, back page.
You want back page, huh?
Previous page, sir.
Huh? This one?
Okay, sir, thank you. No, sir, done, sir, done.
हाँ हो गया ये? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So if I want to find now projection velocity phi, what I will get, under root of 2gh divided by 1 plus h by r. I can keep it in a box. This is what projection velocity formula. Next now, if suppose v is equal to 1 by n times phi e. Okay, sometimes they are giving now 1 by 3 times escape velocity, 1 by 4 times escape velocity. Then what to do? Then at the place of this phi square, you see phi square is equal to 2gh by 1 plus h by r. So I will substitute here phi e square by n square. है कि नहीं? समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, is equal to 2gh divided by 1 plus h by r. सही है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now v is equal to what we have? As we know, phi is equal to root 2gr. We know what we know. Phi is equal to root 2gr. So phi square is what? 2gr. If I will substitute here, therefore 2gr, what I did at the place of this phi, I have substituted this value. 2gr by n square is equal to 2gh by 1 plus h by r. This 2g cancel. R by n square is equal to h by 1 plus h by r. So yeah, right?
Yes, sir.
And again you see here what I am doing, h by r plus h divided by r is equal to r by n square. This r will go up. This r will go up. That is r by n square is equal to rh by r plus h. This r and this r will get cancelled. है कि नहीं? Right? तो अब देखो क्या होगा? What I want? If I want h, then r plus h is equal to n square into h, and therefore r is equal to n square h minus h. So this is n square minus 1 into h is equal to r. है कि नहीं? yes or no? And therefore आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो h is equal to
R square R by n square minus 1.
therefore h is also equal to r by n square minus 1. This is also one formula. Either you want to r or you want to find r or you want to find h, you can find. N means what? How much time? 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 2 times, 4 times, whatever it is. N may be any number. Okay, note down fast.
Sir, what is n?
N is just जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं ना 1 by 3 times suppose v इसके v is equal to 1 by 3
Sir,
times
okay, sir.
velocity, something like that. N is number. Okay, N is just a
Okay,
number
sir, okay.
times whatever it is. We are telling now he is greater than this, 1 by 2 times more, 1 by 3 times more, something like that. Okay.
Understood, sir.